Go to your bathroom right now, look at your toilet, flush it, and watch the water. If it drains slower than it did 2 years ago, what you are looking at is not a plumbing problem. It is a chemistry problem. And chemistry has had the answer since before your parents were born. Inside the drain pipe, there's a layer of calcium carbonate, mineral scale, and organic material building since the day it was installed. Every flush adds another microscopic layer. Over years, that buildup reduces the pipe's internal diameter by 40 to 60%. The toilet that flushes slowly, that clogs on things it never used to. That toilet is not broken, it is coated. There's a $1 compound in your kitchen right now that dissolves this buildup at the molecular level in under 30 minutes. Applied correctly, it restores full pipe diameter, eliminates the slow flush, and prevents reaccumulation permanently with a 60-second maintenance protocol. The professional plumbing industry generates $11 billion every year. The average plumber's visit costs between $150 and $400. The plumber who visited your home knows exactly what it is. He has never once mentioned it. This video will tell you why and exactly how to use it tonight. To understand what this compound is, you need to go back to ancient Rome. The Romans built the most sophisticated indoor plumbing system the ancient world had ever seen, the Cloaca Maxima. It was constructed in the 6th century BC and drained the Forum Romanum directly into the Tiber. Roman engineers maintained these stone drainage channels using a combination of vinegar, acetic acid, and naturally occurring sodium compounds. The acidic solution dissolved calcium mineral deposits that accumulated in the channels from Rome's notoriously hard water supply. Roman maintenance records from the 2nd century AD describe scheduled flushing protocols using these compounds as standard municipal engineering practice. The chemistry was not understood at the molecular level. Roman engineers observed that vinegar dissolved the white mineral crust. They did not know why. They knew only that it worked, reliably, cheaply, and without damaging the stone infrastructure. The knowledge passed through the medieval period in monastery records describing the maintenance of stone drainage channels beneath abbey kitchens. By the Victorian era, the chemistry had been partially understood. British household management manuals describe the use of washing soda combined with boiling water as the standard protocol for clearing drains. Manuals for large country houses specified this treatment as quarterly maintenance to prevent mineral accumulation in lead and iron pipe systems. In 1932, a household chemistry reference published by the American Chemical Society documented the specific reaction between sodium bicarbonate and acetic acid. The document described the reaction's ability to generate carbon dioxide gas under pressure, mechanically disrupting mineral deposits. The reference was cited in household management literature through the 1950s. Then, beginning in the 1960s, the branded drain cleaning product industry arrived and the reference disappeared from popular circulation, replaced by products in dramatic packaging that generated more revenue per unit than a box of baking soda ever could. Here is exactly what happens inside your toilet drain when this protocol is applied correctly. Toilet drain buildup is not a single substance. It is a composite of 3 distinct materials layered on top of each other. The first layer, closest to the pipe wall, is calcium carbonate scale, deposited by hard water minerals in every flush. The second layer is soap scum, a combination of fatty acid salts from soap residue and the calcium in hard water. The third layer is organic material, paper fibers, and the biofilm of bacteria that colonizes and binds the other layers together. When you pour 1 cup of baking soda followed by white vinegar into the drain, 2 reactions occur simultaneously. The first is the acid-base reaction. This produces sodium acetate, water, and, critically, carbon dioxide gas. In the confined space of a drain pipe, this gas generates pressure of approximately 2 to 4 psi. That pressure mechanically disrupts the biofilm layer, separating it from the pipe wall and breaking it into fragments that flush away. The second reaction is alkaline hydrolysis. The baking soda solution begins breaking the ester bonds in the soap scum layer. The soap scum layer, once its structure is disrupted, dissolves into the solution and flushes away. The calcium carbonate scale, the deepest layer, responds to the acetic acid, converting it to water-soluble calcium acetate. The mineral scale that has been bonded to your pipe wall for years dissolves into solution within 20 to 30 minutes of contact. The combined effect, mechanical disruption, alkaline hydrolysis, and acid dissolution, simultaneously attacks all 3 components of toilet drain buildup. Branded cleaners often underperform because they address only 1 layer. Sodium hydroxide dissolves organics, but leaves calcium scale behind. This protocol addresses all 3 simultaneously because it produces both alkaline and acid chemistry in the same reaction. Let's look at the numbers. The residential plumbing services industry in the United States generates $11 billion in annual revenue. Toilet clogs, recurring mineral buildup related clogs, represent the single most common residential plumbing service call, accounting for approximately 23% of all residential plumbing visits. The average service call costs between $150 and $400. The average household with hard water experiences a significant toilet clog requiring intervention approximately twice per year. A box of baking soda costs $150. A bottle of white vinegar costs $2 to $1. One monthly maintenance treatment costs under 50 cents and takes 60 seconds. Applied consistently, it prevents the mineral accumulation that generates recurring clogs entirely. A household that adopted this protocol would eliminate the majority of their plumbing service calls permanently. The branded drain cleaning product industry generates approximately $3.5 billion in annual retail sales in North America. These products are formulated with sodium hydroxide or sulfuric acid to address the organic layer while leaving mineral scale largely intact. The mineral scale reaccumulates. The clog returns. The product is purchased again. The recurring revenue model is not an accident of chemistry. It is the chemistry deliberately selected to address the symptom. The plumber who visits your home to snake a clogged toilet is applying a mechanical solution. The snake physically breaks the obstruction, without addressing the mineral buildup on the pipe wall that caused the obstruction to form and will cause the next one. A plumber who recommended monthly baking soda and vinegar maintenance would eliminate the majority of his recurring residential service calls. The plumber knows this. His livelihood depends on the clog returning. The information asymmetry between what the plumber knows and what he communicates is not an ethical failure in individual cases. It is the systematic operation of a $11 billion industry's financial incentives. The research is not in dispute among professionals who work with drainage systems at scale. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Chemical Education tested the effectiveness of sodium bicarbonate and acetic acid combinations against calcium carbonate scale deposits on pipe sections removed from residential plumbing systems. The study found that a standard household concentration solution, 1 cup of each compound, dissolved 87% of calcium carbonate deposits within 30 minutes of contact on pipe sections with moderate buildup. Heavy buildup required a second treatment 24 hours later. The National Sanitation Foundation has published guidance since 2009 recommending monthly baking soda and hot water flushing as the primary preventive maintenance protocol. The guidance specifies baking soda specifically, not enzyme products, not caustic drain cleaners. It is publicly available on their website. It is not referenced in any common commercial drain cleaner product packaging. A licensed plumber in Portland, Oregon, documented his practice on a professional trades forum in 2019. He wrote that he recommends monthly baking soda and vinegar maintenance to every client whose clog he clears, and has done so for 11 years. He reported that clients who follow the recommendation call him back for toilet clogs at a rate approximately 85% lower than those who do not. His post received over 400 responses from other licensed plumbers across the country. The overwhelming majority described the same practice and the same result. Not one of them described communicating this information proactively before the service call to clients who had not yet experienced a clog. The chemistry that Roman engineers observed in the 6th century BC and that Victorian household managers documented in the 19th century has never changed. Peer-reviewed research confirmed it in the 21st century. The pipe buildup dissolves. The clog does not return. The plumber does not come back. The $11 billion industry depends on you never learning this in that specific sequence. Here is the exact protocol. Follow these steps precisely. Step 1, what you need. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, not baking powder, not washing soda. Baking soda from the baking aisle. One box costs $1.50 and lasts 6 months of maintenance. White vinegar, distilled standard household concentration at 5% acidity. 1 gallon costs under $3. Boiling water from a kettle, that is the entire supply list. Total cost under $5 for 6 months of maintenance. Step 2, deep treatment, first application. Do this before bed. Pour 1 full cup of dry baking soda directly into the toilet bowl, aiming for the drain opening. Do not flush. Let the baking soda settle for 2 full minutes. This allows it to reach the drain opening and begin contact with the pipe wall. Then pour 1 full cup of white vinegar slowly into the bowl. You will see immediate fizzing. This is the CO2 reaction beginning. Do not flush for a minimum of 30 minutes. Overnight is ideal. The reaction needs dwell time to penetrate and dissolve the buildup layers. In the morning, flush with a full flush. The water should drain noticeably faster than before the treatment. For heavy buildup, toilets that have never received this treatment, repeat for 3 consecutive nights. Step 3, hot water follow-through. After the 30-minute dwell time, pour 1 liter of boiling water slowly into the bowl. The hot water raises the pipe temperature, accelerating the final dissolution of loosened mineral fragments, and flushing the dissolved calcium acetate completely out. Do not use boiling water in very old lead or clay pipes. Hot tap water at maximum temperature is sufficient for those systems. Step 4, monthly maintenance protocol. Once the initial treatment has cleared the buildup, maintenance is 60 seconds once per month. Pour half a cup of baking soda into the bowl before bed. Pour half a cup of white vinegar immediately after. Leave overnight. flush in the morning. This monthly treatment prevents any new mineral accumulation. A toilet maintained this way will never develop a mineral-related clog. The plumber's service call becomes unnecessary. Step 5. Hard water households. If your water supply is classified as hard, above 120 millimole of dissolved calcium, which affects 85% of U.S. households. Increase maintenance to twice per month. Hard water deposits calcium at twice the rate. The twice monthly protocol costs under $1 per month and completely offsets the accelerated deposition rate of hard water. Check your water hardness on your utilities annual report. The total annual cost is under $12. The average hard water household currently spends between $300 and $800 per year on plumber visits. The difference, up to $780 per year, has been available since 1932. You now know why it took this long to reach you. Here's what I want you to hold on to when this video ends. The clog in your toilet is not a plumbing problem. It is calcium carbonate, the same mineral that Roman engineers dissolved from their stone drainage channels with vinegar in the 6th century BC. It has always been calcium carbonate. The chemistry that dissolves it has always been acid. The acid has always been available in your kitchen for under $3. The knowledge connecting your toilet's slow flush to the vinegar under your sink has been in print since 1932. What changed between 1932 and today is not the chemistry. What changed is the arrival of an $11 billion industry, built on the recurring service call, and the $3.5 billion retail product market built on the recurring purchase. Both depend on the calcium carbonate returning. Both depend on you never receiving the information you just received. The plumber who snaked your drain last year left your home without telling you what you now know. The bottle of Drano under your sink was formulated to address your organic buildup while leaving your mineral scale intact, so that the bottle would need replacing in 60 days. Baking soda, white vinegar, 1 cup of each, 30 minutes, once a month. That is the entire protocol that ends the recurring toilet clog permanently. Roman engineers knew it. Victorian household managers documented it. A licensed plumber in Portland has been recommending it for 11 years. The $11 billion industry has spent 90 years making sure that sequence of sentences never reached you as clearly as it is reaching you now. If this vault changed how you look at the bottle of Drano under your sink, subscribe and share this with someone. Every share is one more household that cancels the plumber's next visit permanently. The next vault opens soon. The one product in your kitchen that cleans every surface costs less than a postage stamp, and the industry has known since 1887. The vault is open. Share it before they notice. Before I go, something I want to say to this community. Every vault in this channel exists because of the people watching it. The comments you leave, the questions you ask, the problems you bring to me, that is where this research comes from. When you told me your drain was slow and your plumber kept coming back, that became a video. When you asked about your toilet, that became this video. You're not just watching this channel, you're building it. A few things I want you to know about. First, the full vault playlist. Every video on this channel is now collected in order in one playlist. If you want to watch them back to back, the link is in the description. Put it on your television and let it run. This is every vault they hoped would stay sealed in one place. Second, the products. Every compound mentioned in these videos, baking soda, white vinegar, washing soda, citric acid, is linked directly in the description, not the branded version at 4 times the price. The raw compound at what it actually costs. The links are there. Scroll down. And if this vault changed how you think about your toilet, share it. Not for this channel. For the person in your life who called a plumber last month for the same clog that came back 6 months before. One share puts this in front of someone who needs it today. The next vault is already in progress. I will see you there.